Hi, Debra Joy Groesser again with another tip for you. For those of you that wear glasses like I do, I happen to be nearsighted in one eye and I have astigmatism in the other eye. If you're lucky enough to have vision like mine, a tip to help you with simplifying your paintings and getting looser is to simply take your glasses off when you paint. The first time I was told to do this, I freaked because I couldn't see my palette. Things are blurry about, 2 feet in front of my face, things get blurry. But it was the best advice as far as being able to see simple shapes. It really has the same effect of squinting. So if you do have good vision, you can put on some reading glasses just to blur your vision or squint down. And then the shapes that you see in your scene, in your subject, will be simplified. And that will help you greatly in establishing your design and getting your values and colors right. So hope that tip helps you, and I hope you'll try it. It really is intimidating at first, but I guarantee you'll get used to it and your paintings will be a lot looser for it.